memory view and its methods. Obj, the underlying object of the memory view. Byte array, this one. Memory view of B is stored into M dot object is B. Okay, then print object is byte array. Yes, true. Now n bytes is equal to product shape into item size is equal to length of m dot 2 bytes. This is the amount of space in bytes that the array would use in a contiguous representation. It is not necessarily equal to length of m. Import, let's see the example. Print length of m. So this one is integer array 1 2 3 4 5. Memory view of this is this, and length of m is 5, and its bytes are 10. Print bytes is equal to 10, 5 in 20. Why? 4 bytes each. Yes. And y is equal to slice, and print length of y. So slice 2, so these, this and this 3. Length of y should be 3, correct? And y dot bytes 3 4s are 12, and length of y dot 2 bytes 12. Multi-dimensional arrays. Import struct dot pack decimal into 12, 1.5 into x for x in range 12. Three by four. Say 3 by 4. Memory view x dot to list. Y dot to list 0.0, 1.5, 3.0. Okay, so 12 elements, 4 3 by 4. This is 3 by 4 multi-dimensional array. Length of y is 3. Length of y is 3 because it's 3 by 4. Y dot bytes should be 4. 12 4s are 90. 12 8s are 96. Okay. Read only, a boolean indicating whether the memory is read only. Format, a string containing the format in struct module style for each element in the view. A memory view can be created from exporters with arbitrary format strings, but some methods to list are restricted to negative single element formats. Changed in version 3.3, format B is now handled according to the struct module index. This means that memory view BABC of 0 is equal to BABC0 is equal to 97. Item size. The size in bytes of each element of the memory view. Import array struct m is equal to memory view array dot array h 32,000, 32,001, 32,002. M dot item size is equal to 2, 2 byte. M of 0 is equal to this one. Struct dot calc size is h is equal to item size true. And dim, an integer indicating how many dimensions of multidimensional array the memory represents. Shape, a tuple of integers, the length of ndim giving the shape of the memory as an n-dimensional array. Changed in version 3.3, an empty tuple instead of none when ndim is equal to 0. Strides, a tuple of integers, the length of ndim giving the size in bytes to access each element for each dimension of the array. Changed in version 3.3, an empty tuple instead of none when ndim is equal to 0. Sub offsets used internally for PIL style arrays. The value is information only. C underscore contiguous, a bool indicating whether the memory is C contiguous. F contiguous, a bool indicating whether the memory is Fortran contiguous. Contiguous, a bool indicating whether the memory is contiguous. Thank you.